Hey guy, how's it going? This is Holden. I said I was going to shoot you a video, and in this video, I want to show you 3 things that you can do to really bring some more customers in and beat your competition online. In today's day and age, a lot of people don't realize this, but you need a strong internet presence to really make it out there. Everybody is searching for what they want on Google, and if you can't get found in the Google search results, you're just not getting found. And I feel like the only hesitation that a lot of times business owners have to hiring someone is they don't know who the experts are and who they're not. So I found by giving out this free plan of attack, these 3 free things that you can do today and implement yourself, has really resulted in a lot of business owners coming back to me and saying, hey Holden, I can use your help. So if by the end of this video, you see that I have some value and you want to chat, shoot me a message and we can talk. If not, that's totally fine. I just ask that you please do implement these 3 things because they will help your business and get some more traffic to your website. All right, let's jump right in. I got your website up right here, sprayit.ca. This thing looks really good. You got some your services on here and a little bit of content. So when it comes to Google optimization, content is key. Google likes to have at least 1,500 words of content alone on your homepage just for optimization. So I have this tool right here. It's called SEO Quake. This thing shows me a little bit of the analytics of your website. And this is a free tool. You can pick this up yourself. But it shows me you've got 327 words of content on your homepage. So you can see you're falling short of that 1,500 words that Google really likes for content and optimization. This guy out here, this spray foam Sask, he's your top competitor. When I type in spray foam installation contractors in your area, this guy's the first one that pops up organically right here. So let's take a look at his analytics. This guy has 2,043 words on his homepage alone. So you can see why he's beating you out and up there at the top just for that. If you were able to bump up your word count on your homepage to 2,500, you'd be blowing this guy out of the water. All right, next thing I want to talk to you about is, as far as content goes, is keywords. Keywords are what people are searching for in this bar up here. And Google likes to match with whatever people are searching to the most relevant content in that area. So if people are searching for spray foam insulation contractors, you need those words in your content. Spray foam installation near me, spray foam, housing insulation, whatever your services are, those words need to go into the content on your homepage here. That way that Google can send those people over your way. Now I can see on this tool what keywords you have and how many times. And it says you got spray foam 18 times, foam insulation 7 times, insulation Saskatoon 3 times. So those are good keywords and those are things that people are searching for. Let's take a look at your competitor and see what he's doing. You can see this guy, he has spray foam 52 times, foam insulation 37 times, wall insulation, ceiling insulation, closed cell, foam Saskatoon. So he's got a lot more of these keywords and he's listing them a lot more times. So that's another reason he's just beating you out for that. The next thing I want to show you is this right here. I'm sure you've seen it. It's called the Google Map Pack. Now the way you get into this is basically, this is how you get found locally. When people search things for spray foam near me or in Saskatoon, that's what pops up. And to get found locally, you need to have your name, address, and phone number as many times as possible and as many directories as possible, right? And directories are things like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Facebook. And if your competition has 50 of these things out there, make sure you're putting out 150. That way they just can't jump the gap and beat you, and you stay up here in this map pack. So once again down here, I call this the organic ranking area. And this is really where you want to be, People are not going all the way down to the ads down here, and they're definitely not going to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th page of Google. So to get up here in this organic area, the best way to do that, Google itself is a giant popularity contest. There's all these things called backlinks, which are kind of like votes. And all these backlinks, if they're pointing from one website to another website, the more of these links you have pointing towards your website, the more popular your website is. And Google starts recognizing that and seeing that your information in your website is super relevant. So you want to get as many of these backlinks from one website to your website pointing in your direction as possible. But not all backlinks are created equal. You do not want backlinks from a pizza shop linking to your spray foam installation company. Google recognizes that pizza has nothing to do with spray foam, and they're going to deduct you points for that. So make sure that you're finding backlinks that are relevant. This here is a tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs. It buys data directly from Google, and it gives me a good idea of what's going on with your website. It's not perfect. It updates every week, but it is pretty accurate. It shows me that you have 0 organic traffic coming in through search results. So people are just not finding you through Google. And additionally, it says that you got 0 keywords that people are searching for to find you. And like I said, this thing's not perfect. I did see a couple keywords on there, but in your area, they may not be searching for those specific keywords. Over here, it shows me that you have one website shooting back 5 links to your website. So that might be your Facebook page, or it might be something else. But you really want to bump up these backlinks, these votes of confidence in that popularity contest, and that will kind of increase this over here, which is your domain rank. And that's kind of just a rank that Ahrefs gives you based on the other websites in your industry, in your area, right? And it's showing me NA, and that could be for a number of reasons. But I would say mostly it's because you just don't have a lot of backlinks over here pointing in your direction. So just to reiterate, the 3 things that I want you to look at are content on your homepage, at least 1,500 words. But like I said, this guy over here, he's got 2,043, so make sure you go to 2,500. And then make sure you're putting in those keywords that people are looking for over here, and use this tool to kind of look and see what this guy's doing, And then next, I want you to get your name, address, and phone number out as many times as possible into those different directories, things like Yellow Pages. Make sure that you do more than your competition, and then I'll get you up here in this organic search results found locally. And then finally, you need to get more of these backlinks, and make sure you're getting them from relevant websites, not spammy ones or things that have nothing to do with spray foam. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think. And like I said, if you want to talk some more, shoot me a message and we can chat. And if not, the only thing I do ask is that you please implement these things and help yourself out and get some more customers in the door. All right, well, I appreciate you listening. Take it easy, guy. Have a good one.